Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bought something today I really do not need. I really don't want it. So I'll have to give it away to somebody. Maybe give it to my granddaughter for Christmas, part of her Christmas gifts. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me readjust the camera and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for watching. This past weekend I visited my local Lidl store, L-I-D-L, and I found this Hercules Flexi organizer. Now I already have approximately 10 or 12 of these different kits already, but I bought this because it's so big and nice and sturdy and got a lot of uses for it, I think. So you can see at the top it's a clear plastic, bottom is black, has these two latches right here, easy to open up. Here's the inside, hinges on the back, so you can take the top off if you needed to. There you go. Anyway, let's go over the ends. Let's see how big this thing is. Outside to outside, 23.5 inches by 15.5 inches and almost 4 inches thick. Now you can see how the handle is, so you can carry it without any problems. Now the handle is squared off instead of round. I wish it was rounded, fit better in the hand, but it is what it is. Okay, here is some specs if you want to pause the camera and look at that real quick. Let's see if I can get that good picture on that. There we go. Anyway, this was $9.99 or $10 from Lidl. Let me open up and show you the inside here. Now, right here it has one straight divider going through, same as right here. These go through. Now these are adjustable dividers. You can put it in several different configurations. You can put them here, 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 all the way through. And you do have supplied a number of different dividers. Let me go ahead and load these up. Now this is in my opinion, a pretty nice storage container. I think this would be ideal for keeping G.I. Joes, Barbie dolls, Hot Wheels, crayons, just whatever kids play with these days. I think this would be an ideal bin for them. And for the price, you can't beat it at all. Can't beat it at all. So, these little dividers, like this, they just slide easily into this compartment here. So that's all I'm going to put in right now. You can get my drift. Make these to the size you want. Maybe take two of these out. Maybe a Barbie will fit here. Another Barbie, some clothes will fit here. Or just whatever. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. I got it from Lidl, L-I-D-L. And it's a store that's very similar to Aldi. So, for 10 bucks, if you have a Lidl somewhere in your area, I would urge you to go check it out. Pick one of these up. Save it for one of your kids for Christmas. Grandkids for Christmas. I'm sure kids will find a lot of use for this. My name is Carl. I do appreciate being with us today.